Right. Let's share the link. Okay. Good morning to you all. Um, okay. Perfect. 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 Okay. Let's go for it. All right. All right. So, good morning to you all. Welcome to MolarGold Trading Analysis episode. Okay, I started naming the episode. So, today is episode 2. All right. If today is your first time of joining our session, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. All right, so that we can take it from there. Okay, let's not waste much time. I called a sell signal early this morning. I was a bit late with the sell, but that is fine. Very okay. I was a bit late. All right, so this sell already had made some good profits. I was very late, so I would have gotten the trade right from maybe somewhere here, and that will be giving us about 55 pips. Okay, so that is fine, but I think we had a trade from here. Okay, we had a trade from here, so that is giving us about 27 pips. All right, 27 pips. So that's also not bad. All right, so what are we looking at today? Today we're going to look at what is likely to happen with this gold setup. Okay, what is likely to happen with this gold setup? So let's dive into it. Let's look at all of that right now. All right, so looking at what is happening, it looks like gold would make a turn and go back to the upside. Gold will make a turn. All right, gold will make a turn from here to here. It's likely that it can do that. I'm anticipating something like this. Okay, then when we get that, before we would get this. Okay, when we get that, before we get this, but don't forget this can still go down. All right, it can still go down just like that. It can still go down. So let's be watching the chart. Let's keep an eye on it, and then let's see how it rolls out. Okay. Yesterday, one of the signal I posted, I told you that I made a costly mistake, and a lot of people did not notice the costly mistake because um, I call a sell somewhere here, and then we hit the take profits, and then I later came back, called the sell again somewhere here. All right, that is very, very costly because this could be avoided. So when I saw that, it means that I was actually tired and I have to stop giving the signal because this trade was right sitting with the correct Fibonacci relationships and all of that. Okay, so it was actually a kind of, how do you call it, a kind of correct wrong decision at the wrong time. All right, so that tells me that no, guy, you are very tired. Then that is what a lot of you do when you are trading and you are even tired. You keep trading. All right, when you do that, you're going to lose a lot of money. When you are trading button, so that anytime I start the live, you would get the notification immediately. All right, good. So today, why am I calling for this buy? Yesterday I told you we had this correction. We had this sorry, we have this ABC pattern. Let me show you. We have this A, B, and C like that. Okay. And then now we've gotten a nice correction like this. 1, 2, 3. This is a nice correction. And we have this nice impulsive move. This is the move. This is an impulsive move. And all this falls into a correction. All right, it falls into a correction. So what is going to happen? What is likely to happen? It means that since this is an impulsive move, we are likely to have another impulse. Likely. Okay, that's what is likely to happen. And if that happens like that, then this move is going to go haywire with us. All right, it's going to go haywire because it's going to buy probably the whole of the day, and then maybe from Sunday we will do some corrections and then we drop again. That will be fine. So Monday we can see some sales right from here. Okay, so let's look at how this is going to go. Let's look at how it's going to go. Okay, so let's look at how this is going to go immediately with all the structures we are looking at. So let's look at it carefully. Let's keep our eyes on the charts. Okay, it doesn't matter this move which is here. Also, this is impulse. All right, even though we have this in between here, we have that in between. So this correction right there, okay, this correction right there, all right, is telling us something. This correction right here, let me show you what exactly I mean, and then you're going to get that correctly. Okay, where is my crosshair? I can't find the crosshair. Okay, now I got my crosshair back. All right, now let's check out this move, which is this. Let's check it out. I think I did something to my trading view. So you see, price actually made a correction around here. This did not achieve 1.618. All right, so this tells me that, hey, there is something happening. All right, so this is more like a correction to me than impulse. So if that is a correction, always a correction follows with an impulse. That is why I told you I missed this move yesterday. This buy would have been a great buy, and then this sell would have been ours, right? Yesterday, remember, I missed this trade also because I was talking to the programmer, even though I traded it personally on my own. Okay, so yes, you also have to watch the chart and then follow the analysis yourself. That is why it's important to join me on the analysis in the mornings. All right, because now I'm explaining to you what I think the market should do. Okay, nothing more, nothing less about that. What I think the market should do. So if the market is doing that, then you should follow. You should follow with an interest of getting all of what you are looking for. All right. All right. So it's very, very important, very, very important to to do that. Very, very important. So once you are here and you are listening to me, you get an idea on what price should do. Okay, so even if I'm not around, you should know what to do next. All right, you should know what to do next. Okay, um at this point, I don't know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, you can send them to me. Let me reply. But today, what I'm expecting is that I'm expecting gold to do this move. All right, that is what I'm expecting gold to do. So if that is it, what exactly are we looking out for? We're looking out for a possible reversal in price. All right, a possible reversal. So these cells we are taking, we continue taking the sell until we see them move. When they move, we will know. Then we will start to continue the whole trade to the upside. But for now, we're still taking the sells. We're still taking the sells. All right. We would let them move. When they move, then we know what to do. Okay. That is a lot of. That is the problem with a lot of traders. Sorry. That's the problem with a lot of traders. They actually force the market to move in their favor, but the market moves on its own. You just take advantage of the move. Okay, so guys, I think that is that. Let's see what our guy is doing. So I think I called the trade somewhere here, so this should be about 32 pips already. Okay, 32 pips already in profit, deep profit. All right, so basically that is that. We should enjoy some trades. Let me see what the indicators. Okay, so the indicator actually did this move for us. It did this move for us. All right, so it's actually good. That is the call right there. I told you I was a bit late, so this entry is still perfect. It wasn't a bad entry. It wasn't a bad call. I presume it was a bad call, but it wasn't. Giving us about 30 pips in profit. That is very, very cool. All right. So now that we are here, guys, we have to be very, very careful, extremely careful, so that we don't get trapped. All right. Okay. All right. Somebody said just send me a message. Say, Doc, you too much. All right. Thanks, bro. All right. So price actually, I've already smashed, I think, take profit one already by now. And then we'll look forward for more pips today. Okay, guys, catch you again tomorrow. All right, if today is your first time, please subscribe, like something, comment on something, and then hit the bell notification button so that anytime I come on the live session, you would get notified immediately. Okay, bye for now, guys.